Hi everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make a shadow catcher in Blender Cycles. So here you can see the shadow. So to make a shadow catcher, you need an object to cast shadow and another object to use as the shadow catcher. So click on the object you want to use as the shadow catcher, go to Object Properties, Visibility, Mask, Shadow Catcher. And you can see that the only thing left is the shadow on the object. Now let's hide the other object, which is casting shadow, without stopping it casting shadows. So select it, press M on the keyboard, New Collection, and turn on Indirect Only for this collection. You might want to hide and unhide the collection one time for it to work. And this is it. Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.